Hi everyone, this is Franco and I'm part of the ShopHero product team. Today I want to take you through the quick setup guide to using ShopHero. So I've got a test Shopify store already set up and I've just installed ShopHero. So we're going to start with a fresh installation just like everybody, following along would see. So you can go ahead and toggle through our onboarding, which introduces you to how ShopHero works for your e-commerce store, sending your sale messages through multiple channels like email, push notifications, and Facebook Messenger. So you can go ahead and just follow along this onboarding. The most important step here is on screen 3, where you let us know what your marketing style is like. So what is your brand most like? Is it like Red Bull or is it like Apple and Coca-Cola? Picking one of these will change the preloaded and preset copy that comes into the marketing campaigns that you'll find later on. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one of those, and now the system is going to go ahead and build those for you. Great. Now that those have all been set up, we're presented with the product onboarding inside. We're going to go ahead and close this since this is the quick setup guide, but if you wanted to take a moment to go ahead and read that, you can. Getting started with ShopHero is super simple, and we've designed it like that on purpose. So there's really only 3 steps that we recommend taking, and some of those I'm even going to cut out today in the quick setup guide. But if you wanted to know what those were in order to get the most out of ShopHero and maximize your chance of earning extra sales, you want to click on this little toggle here and just follow these quick and easy 4 steps. Really, it's picking a marketing style, which we did in the onboarding before we set up the app. You can change that anytime too, so no pressure there. We recommend that you upload a logo just so your customers can recognize your marketing when it comes through those different channels. And finally, we recommend using coupons in Shopify. We'll dive into why we recommend coupons in a separate video, but all you need to know for today is that to get ShopHero working for you and running for your store, ready to make you extra sales, just come on over to the campaigns page where we are right now and go ahead and start turning on some of these recommended campaigns. Now there's 12 really highly recommended e-commerce campaigns that generate revenue and sales. And so all you need to do to start making those sales is turn these things on. Now, you will notice a little notification here on most, if not all of these campaigns, because we recommend, as I mentioned a few moments ago, using coupons to increase your conversion rates and your chances of success. But that's completely not necessary. If you decide to go ahead and not use coupons, either to save some time and get started, or you don't want to use a coupon for a particular campaign type, you can go ahead and just hit no. And what that'll do is automatically load a non-coupon variation of the copy and design, which again has already been optimized to make you revenue. So let's go ahead and click no, and I'll turn just a few more of these guys on just so you guys can see what that looks like when I've got a few campaigns running. And that's it, we're all ready to make money. I can go ahead and pause all my other marketing tools, and ShopHero from this point will take over and start sending marketing messages around these campaigns. We highly recommend turning all 12 campaigns on to maximize the chances of making a sale in different scenarios based on where your customers are along the customer journey. If you're curious about what one of these campaigns looks like, or some of the messaging that's already being used that was pre-populated for your store, you can go ahead and click on one of these campaigns, and just below the introductory paragraph or description where it explains what this particular campaign is about and some of the stats that'll start rolling in, you're able to now see where this campaign will be delivered. Email, push notifications, and Facebook Messenger, which is coming very soon at the time of this recording. Right below that, you'll see each individual message pertaining to the channel. So in this case, we're in email marketing, and I'll see that there's basically a 4 message drip, and I can go ahead and either edit each individual message, preview it, or send myself a test. If I'm curious about the timing rules, those are here on the side. But if you're interested in the fastest way to make extra sales, that's it. So don't forget to follow us online. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at GetShopHero. And if you love ShopHero, don't forget to share it with a fellow merchant and leave us a review on Shopify. Thanks for watching.